School air can be stuffy, days are long, and let's be real, staying fresh isn't always easy when you're on a budget. Have you ever caught a whiff of yourself halfway through the school day and thought, wait, do I smell bad? Or maybe you spritzed on perfume in the morning, but by lunchtime, it's like it never even existed? Babe, we can't have that. You deserve to smell clean, fresh, and effortlessly good all day long without spending your entire allowance on expensive perfumes and body mists. This video is divided into 4 parts. Why smelling good is important. The struggle. Smell good and stay fresh in school. Must have essential in bag to smell good and stay fresh. So if you're ready to be the freshest one in the room, let's dive in. Why smelling good is important. Smelling good isn't just about personal hygiene, it's a power move. Here's why it matters. Boosts confidence. When you know you smell amazing, you feel amazing. It gives you that extra glow-up energy and makes you feel put together all day. Leaves a lasting impression. People may forget what you said, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. And a fresh, pleasant scent instantly makes you more approachable and memorable. Enhances personal aesthetic. Smelling good is an invisible accessory that completes your look. It adds to your overall vibe and makes you stand out effortlessly. Creates positive associations. Ever caught a whiff of a familiar scent and immediately thought of someone? That's the power of fragrance. It makes people associate you with freshness and elegance. The struggle. Stuffiness and crowded classrooms. Schools can feel like a human sauna, with little to no ventilation. By midday, the air feels heavy, and staying fresh becomes a challenge. Long hours equals fading freshness. Morning showers and perfume don't always last through a full school day. By the afternoon, sweat, humidity, and everyday activities can make you feel not so fresh. Bad personal hygiene equals the root problem. No perfume or body mist can cover up poor hygiene. If you're skipping showers, using the wrong products, or not taking care of yourself properly, no amount of fragrance will save the day. Budget constraints. Not everyone can afford luxury perfumes and high-end body care, but guess what? You don't need to. With the right affordable hacks, you can smell fresh and clean all day without breaking the bank. Smell good and stay fresh in school. Shower regularly. Begin with a nice shower using a body wash or soap that you like the smell of. Clean skin is essential for maintaining a pleasant scent all day. Showering or bathing every day or every other day is important for personal hygiene. If you shower every day, it can dry out your skin, but it's okay if you have oily or sweaty skin. For dry skin, it's better to shower every other day with gentle soap to remove odors that build up over 24 to 48 hours. Exfoliate. Exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to eliminate dead skin cells, as these can sometimes hold on to odors. Use natural body scrub by mixing brown sugar, rice flour, grounded coffee, honey, coconut oil, or olive oil, and body wash. You will see the wonder. Scrub your body. Wash your whole body with soap and a washcloth, focusing on areas like behind your ears, the back of your neck, feet, armpits, and inner thighs. Don't forget to clean your chest and backside too. If you have sensitive skin, steer clear of soaps with strong fragrances or antibacterial properties. Avoid using a loofah, as they can harbor bacteria. Instead, use a washcloth or your hands. Wash your hair twice a week. Washing your hair every other day is important because it absorbs odors from the environment. Massage pleasant smell shampoo into your scalp to eliminate any unpleasant smells and dirt, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. If you want, you can apply conditioner, letting it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with cool water. Maintain oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice daily. Make sure to brush in the morning and before going to bed to maintain fresh breath. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months to keep bacteria from building up and to prevent damage to your gums from worn bristles. Use mouthwash. A mouthwash with a nice scent can keep your mouth clean and your breath fresh all day long. Floss. Flossing helps eliminate food particles and prevents bad breath. Gargling. Gargling salt water is a natural remedy for bad breath. Mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt with 8 ounces of warm water. Swish a mouthful of the mixture for 30 seconds, then spit it out. You can repeat this as needed. Clean your tongue. Tongues can collect various bacteria, which can cause bad breath. To clean it, gently scrub your tongue with your toothbrush. Don't forget to rinse your toothbrush and your mouth afterward. Chew on cardamom or cinnamon. Cardamom or cinnamon helps freshen your breath instantly and fight off bacteria that cause cavities. Simply suck on or chew a few cloves a few times a day. Apply deodorant or antiperspirant at night. Although it might seem odd, applying it before bed allows the ingredients to penetrate your skin, helping to prevent odors and sweat. You can even shower in the morning without worrying about its effectiveness, since it has already been absorbed. Baby powder hack for sweat and odor control. Apply baby powder under your arms and in your bra to absorb sweat, reduce odor, and keep you feeling fresh all day. It helps prevent stickiness, especially in stuffy classrooms, and acts as a lightweight alternative to deodorant. Just dust a little on in the morning and you're good to go. Budget-friendly, effective, and effortless. Wear clean clothes. Your uniform absorbs sweat and odors, so washing it regularly is a must. In summers, wash it daily to prevent sweat buildup. In winters, washing it every alternate day works, but always air it out after wearing. After adding any detergent of your choice, pour in a scoop of baking soda and 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. Daily wear clean wash to school, no compromise. You can keep 3 to 4 pairs of school socks. Clean your shoes regularly. Clean your shoes regularly to prevent odors caused by sweat and bacteria. Stuff them with newspaper overnight or use dryer sheets to freshen them up. If they can't be washed, wipe the inside with a cotton ball dipped in alcohol to kill bacteria. Try to alternate between pairs to give each pair time to air out. Use a good scented lotion or moisturizer. You can use any under your budget, don't need to go for expensive, trendy moisturizer. You can any under budget moisturizer like of Nivea, CeraVe, or even though baby lotion. Reapply as needed, like after washing your hands. Stay hydrated. Water helps dilute bad odors and prevents dehydration, which can intensify smells, especially in your mouth, after strong foods like coffee or garlic. Staying hydrated can eliminate bad breath and reduce unpleasant odors. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body healthy. Place scenting sachets for fresh clothes. Sachets help keep your clothes and undergarments smelling fresh. Just place them in your drawers or hang them in your closet to lightly scent your items and prevent stale odors. You can buy scented sachets or make your own by filling small cloth bags with dried lavender or your favorite herbs. Get rid of sweaty hands. Baking soda is a quick solution for sweaty hands. Common in Indian kitchens, its alkaline properties help balance pH and reduce palm sweating. Just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water and rub it thoroughly on your hands and palms. Or you can give your hands a cold facial. Fill a bowl with ice and let it get cold and dip your hands again and again in it for 4 to 5 times for a few seconds. It will give your hands a fresh look. Must have essential in bag to smell good and stay fresh. Keep gums in school bag. Chew gum to keep your mouth fresh. It stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away bad bacteria and leftover food particles. Chew gum especially after the lunch break. Keep sugar-free gum in your bag for a quick refresh anytime. Pocket-sized perfume or rollerball. A travel-sized perfume or rollerball is a must-have for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Dab it on pulse points, wrists, neck, behind ears to refresh your scent instantly. Plus, it's compact and convenient, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Stay fabulous all day long. Carry baby wipes or wet wipes. Baby wipes or wet wipes are great for staying fresh at school. They remove sweat, dirt, and odor, making your skin feel clean, especially on hot days. Use them on your underarms, neck, and behind your knees for a quick refresh. They're gentle, affordable, and easy to carry. Now you have all the secrets to smelling fresh and feeling confident without breaking the bank. But let's be real. Looking good is one thing, but smelling amazing, that's a whole different level of main character energy.